When it comes to achieving a healthy body, small changes can create big results. One simple yet powerful habit you can adopt is incorporating a natural fat-burning drink into your daily routine. Just imagine, 1 cup a day can make a real difference in how your body feels and performs. This drink is not about magic or unrealistic promises. It works by supporting your metabolism, improving digestion, and enhancing hydration, all of which are essential for fat loss and overall well-being. Natural ingredients have been trusted for centuries, and modern research continues to prove their benefits. When combined properly, these ingredients can help your body naturally break down fats more efficiently, regulate blood sugar, and control cravings. This means you're not only burning fat, but also reducing the chances of unnecessary snacking. A daily cup of the right natural drink can help detoxify your system, flush out toxins, and keep you energized throughout the day. The best part is, these drinks are made from simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. They're free from artificial additives, preservatives, or harmful chemicals, making them completely safe for daily use. Unlike fad diets or extreme workouts, this is an easy, sustainable change anyone can follow. Along with a balanced diet and regular activity, 1 cup a day can truly complement your journey toward a fitter, healthier version of yourself. Now, let's talk about variety. There isn't just one recipe that works for everyone, and that's the beauty of natural solutions. You can try different combinations based on your taste, nutritional needs, and availability of ingredients. Each recipe is designed to naturally support fat metabolism and improve digestion without causing any side effects. Consistency is key. It's not about drinking it once and expecting overnight results. Think of it as part of your daily wellness routine. Over time, with regular use, you'll notice improved energy, better digestion, and gradual fat loss. So, if you've been looking for a simple, natural, and effective way to support your weight management journey, these fat-burning drinks are a great place to start. The Lemon Ginger Metabolism Booster is one of the most effective and refreshing drinks you can add to your daily routine when you want to support natural fat burning and overall wellness. This simple drink combines the power of two incredible ingredients, a lemon and ginger. Both of these have been used for centuries for their health benefits, and modern research confirms how effective they are in improving digestion, supporting detoxification, and boosting metabolism. Drinking this beverage regularly can provide a range of benefits for your body and mind, making it a perfect addition to a healthy lifestyle. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system and protecting the body against harmful free radicals. It also helps maintain the body's natural pH balance, which is important for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. When your digestive system works efficiently, it becomes easier for your body to break down food and utilize nutrients properly, which indirectly supports weight management. Lemon also has natural detoxifying properties that help flush out toxins, reducing bloating and making you feel lighter and more energetic. Drinking lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning can kickstart your metabolism for the day and keep you hydrated. Ginger, on the other hand, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, particularly gingerol. These compounds not only help reduce inflammation, but also improve the thermogenic process in the body, which means your body burns calories more effectively. Ginger aids digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes, which helps in the smooth breakdown of food and prevents issues like gas or bloating. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important because blood sugar spikes can lead to cravings and overeating. By balancing these levels, ginger keeps your appetite in check and helps prevent unnecessary snacking throughout the day. When combined, lemon and ginger work together to create a natural metabolism booster that can be enjoyed easily at home. It is a great alternative to sugary drinks and processed beverages that often add empty calories to your diet. Instead, this drink is low in calories, completely natural, and provides hydration, antioxidants, and digestion-friendly compounds. The best time to drink this is in the morning before breakfast to wake up your digestive system and get your metabolism running for the day. However, it can also be consumed during the day whenever you need a refreshing and healthful beverage. Consistency is key. Drinking it once will not produce instant results. But when it becomes a regular part of your routine, along with a balanced diet and some physical activity, you will start noticing improvements in energy, digestion, and weight management over time. This simple, natural, and affordable drink is a small step that can make a big difference in your overall health journey. It is safe, easy to prepare, and does not require any complicated ingredients. By making it a habit to drink 1 cup every day, you are supporting your body in a natural way without depending on artificial supplements or extreme diets. The green tea and honey detox drink is one of the most popular natural beverages for supporting weight management and overall health. Green tea has been celebrated for centuries for its powerful antioxidant properties, and when combined with a touch of natural honey, it becomes a refreshing and beneficial drink that can easily fit into your daily routine. This drink is not a magic solution, but it is an effective way to support your body naturally while promoting better metabolism, digestion, and energy levels. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate EGCG, which is known for its ability to boost fat oxidation and increase calorie burning. These antioxidants also protect the body from harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and slow down your overall health. By drinking green tea regularly, you can gently support your body's natural fat burning process without relying on harmful chemicals or artificial supplements. Another important benefit of green tea is that it contains a moderate amount of caffeine, which provides an energy boost without the crash that often comes with coffee or sugary drinks. This light energy lift can help you stay active and alert throughout the day. Honey, when used in moderation, is a natural sweetener that not only adds flavor to the drink, but also brings its own set of health benefits. Honey is rich in antioxidants, enzymes, and trace nutrients that can improve digestion and support overall well-being. Unlike refined sugar, which spikes blood sugar levels and can lead to cravings, honey has a lower glycemic index, meaning it raises blood sugar more gradually. This makes it a better choice for sweetening drinks while keeping them healthy. Additionally, honey has soothing properties that can benefit the throat and help reduce inflammation in the body. When these two ingredients are combined, you get a simple yet effective detox drink that can help you feel light and energized. It is an excellent beverage for flushing out toxins from the body, supporting hydration, and maintaining good digestion. Drinking this regularly can also help curb unnecessary cravings and keep you feeling full for longer, which is essential for anyone who is trying to maintain or lose weight naturally. The best time to consume this drink is in the morning or in the afternoon as a healthy alternative to sugary beverages. However, it is important to remember that honey should not be added to boiling hot tea because high heat can destroy some of its natural nutrients. Instead, let the green tea cool slightly before adding honey to preserve its benefits. This detox drink is easy to make, affordable, and requires no special preparation. Just 1 or 2 cups a day can make a noticeable difference when combined with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. It is a simple change, but it can lead to better metabolism, improved energy, and a healthier body over time. Apple cider vinegar with cinnamon infusion is one of the most powerful and natural drinks you can include in your daily routine to support better digestion, appetite control, and overall wellness. This drink works by combining the unique benefits of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and the aromatic, metabolism-boosting properties of cinnamon. Both of these ingredients have been widely recognized for their positive impact on health, and together they create a drink that can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and support natural fat metabolism. Apple cider vinegar, often abbreviated as ACV, is known for its ability to improve digestion and create a feeling of fullness, which helps in controlling unnecessary snacking and overeating. It contains acetic acid, which has been shown to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and stabilize blood sugar levels. This is especially important because spikes and crashes in blood sugar often lead to cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods, making weight control harder. By keeping these levels steady, ACV helps reduce those cravings and allows your body to use energy more efficiently. Additionally, ACV promotes better gut health by encouraging the growth of good bacteria, which is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Cinnamon is more than just a flavorful spice, it offers several health benefits, particularly when it comes to metabolism and blood sugar regulation. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and has natural compounds that improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to manage blood sugar levels more effectively. This, in turn, helps reduce fat storage and makes your body more efficient at using energy. Cinnamon also adds a warm, comforting flavor to the drink, making it more enjoyable while still being healthy. When combined, apple cider vinegar and cinnamon create a powerful blend that supports your body's natural processes without any harmful chemicals or artificial additives. Drinking this mixture regularly may help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and enhance fat metabolism. It is best consumed before meals because it can help you feel full and prevent overeating. However, it is important to dilute apple cider vinegar properly with water to avoid acidity, related discomfort, and protect your teeth enamel. This drink is simple to prepare, affordable, and easy to include in your daily lifestyle. Just 1 glass a day, along with a balanced diet and regular physical activity, can make a noticeable difference in your energy levels and weight management goals over time. It is a natural approach to wellness that focuses on balance and consistency rather than quick fixes. Cucumber Mint Refreshing Slimming Water is one of the simplest yet most effective natural drinks for hydration, detoxification, and maintaining a healthy weight. This drink is widely appreciated because it is light, refreshing, and packed with benefits that support the body without adding any extra calories. It combines the cooling properties of cucumber with the soothing aroma and digestive benefits of mint, making it a perfect beverage for hot days or whenever you need something healthy and energizing. Unlike sugary drinks or processed beverages, this infused water helps you stay hydrated while supporting your weight management goals naturally. Cucumber is an excellent source of hydration because it contains more than 90% water. This makes it perfect for keeping the body hydrated throughout the day, which is essential for overall health and metabolism. Proper hydration plays a key role in fat metabolism because when the body is dehydrated, it tends to hold on to water, causing bloating and making you feel heavy. Drinking cucumber water regularly helps reduce water retention and keeps your body feeling light. Additionally, cucumbers are low in calories and rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to detoxification and improved digestion. They also contain compounds that help soothe inflammation and reduce puffiness in the body, which can make a big difference in how you feel and look. Mint is another powerful ingredient that adds both flavor and health benefits to this drink. It has natural compounds that aid digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes, which helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Good digestion is crucial for weight management because it allows your body to process food properly and prevents issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Mint also has a calming effect on the stomach and can reduce discomfort after meals, making this drink a great option to sip throughout the day. Together, cucumber and mint create a refreshing combination that supports natural detoxification. By flushing out toxins and maintaining hydration, this infused water can help improve skin health, increase energy levels, and keep your metabolism active. It is also a great alternative to high-calorie beverages like sodas or juices, which often contain added sugars and artificial ingredients. Choosing cucumber mint water instead can significantly cut down unnecessary calories and help you stay on track with your wellness goals. This drink is incredibly easy to prepare and can be made in large quantities to enjoy throughout the day. Simply infuse fresh cucumber slices and mint leaves in water, allow it to chill for a few hours, and enjoy it whenever you need a refreshing sip. It is not only healthy but also visually appealing, which makes it a popular choice for anyone looking to make their hydration routine more enjoyable. By making this a daily habit, along with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle, you can support better digestion, improved hydration, and a naturally slimmer, healthier body without any drastic measures. Turmeric Golden Fat-Burning Latte is one of the most soothing and health-boosting drinks you can include in your daily routine, especially in the evening. Known for its rich golden color and warm flavor, this drink is more than just comforting. It is packed with natural compounds that support weight management, reduce inflammation, and promote overall wellness. Turmeric, the main ingredient in this latte, has been used for centuries in traditional remedies for its healing properties, and modern research confirms its incredible benefits for health. When combined with a warm base like milk and enhanced with a pinch of black pepper for better absorption, turmeric creates a powerful blend that your body will love. The active compound in turmeric, known as curcumin, is responsible for most of its health benefits. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that helps fight free radicals and reduces oxidative stress in the body. Inflammation is one of the factors that can make weight loss difficult because it affects metabolism and overall health. By reducing inflammation, turmeric helps your body function more efficiently and supports fat metabolism. Additionally, turmeric promotes healthy liver function, which is essential for detoxification and breaking down fats. A healthy liver ensures that toxins are processed effectively, allowing your metabolism to stay active and balanced. Black pepper plays a small but important role in this drink. It contains piperine, a compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body by up to 2,000%. Without black pepper, the benefits of turmeric may not be fully absorbed, so this combination is crucial for maximum effectiveness. The addition of milk, whether dairy or plant-based, provides a creamy texture and a satisfying feeling that can help reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks in the evening. You can also add a small amount of honey to give a natural sweetness without relying on refined sugars. One of the best things about this golden latte is that it is naturally calming, making it an ideal drink to enjoy before bedtime. Poor sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances that affect appetite and fat storage, so getting quality rest is essential for weight management. Drinking this warm, soothing beverage can help you relax, reduce stress, and prepare your body for a good night's sleep, which indirectly supports your fat loss goals. Unlike many artificial weight loss products or extreme diets, this drink is completely natural and safe for regular consumption. It does not promise instant results, but when enjoyed consistently as part of a balanced lifestyle, it can make a significant difference over time. Not only does it support metabolism and detoxification, but it also improves overall health, strengthens the immune system, and nourishes the body with essential antioxidants. Adding this golden latte to your nightly routine is a simple yet powerful habit that can bring long-lasting benefits for your wellness journey. So there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful natural drinks that you can easily prepare at home to support your fat-burning journey in a healthy way. Remember, these drinks are not quick fixes or magic solutions. They work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and a healthy lifestyle. The key is consistency. 1 cup a day, made with natural ingredients, can do wonders over time for your metabolism, digestion, and overall energy levels. Instead of reaching for sugary beverages or processed drinks that add unnecessary calories, choose these natural alternatives that nourish your body and help you feel light and refreshed. Small habits like these add up and can make a big difference in your health and fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need these tips. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more simple and natural health tips like this. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and take care of your health, because your body deserves the best.